Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to Rainbow White and you are with Alok Kumar. Today we have to talk about water. Everyone knows what is the value of water in our daily basis life. Without water, we never can't imagine our life, right? But also there have some formalities while we are drinking water. So today our topic is on that only. Drinking lots of water, that's a very beneficial for our health. But we need to remember the correct quantity and the correct timing of drinking water could be more beneficial for our health. So before going in, I would like to request everyone, if you not yet subscribe, please do subscribe. And if you want to get the notification of my newly updated videos, please click on the bell icon. Most of the people, they think drinking water anytime, any quantity, that's not matter. But for your kind information, I'm telling you true, that's really matter. Water looks colorless, but do you know the value of water in our life? Huge. Without water, our body will be collapse. If you don't know what is the time and what is the quantity of drinking water, even you eating lots of healthy foods, there should not be any benefits on your health. Might be later on you will face lots of health related issues. Approximately 60% of our body is made out of water. If you are not drinking sufficient water, your body will be react like bad breathing, fatigue, frequent illness, consumption problem means there have some digestion problem. Even you are eating lots of food, healthy food, you can't digest that food properly. Another one is poor skin health and sugar carvings and also decreased urination and many more. So you can see that most of the problem occurring in our body because of not drinking sufficient water. Just do one favor to me, do concentrate what I'm going to tell you, because I followed that steps and I got a very positive result. As I want all of you to be very healthy and happy in life. Drinking pure water, clear water make your body run smoothly. You want to drink more water to benefit your health? Then I am going to tell you 8 best timing of drinking water. Just I am giving you a very simple example. Suppose outside temperature is very cold and you start your car without warming up the engine, you put that one in gear. Don't you think that's a disaster thing? That same thing is happening with our body as well. If without drinking water you wake up and you run your body, it means probably you are running empty. So the best timing of drinking water is at early morning. Do start your day with a glass of cool water. Before you start your meal, you have to start your meal with a glass of water. But always you have to remember that the timing of drinking water and the timing of having your meal, the gap should be 30 to 40 minutes. It will help you to set up your stomach and work smoothly. If you are feeling so much hungry, just do fulfill your hungerness with a tall glass of water. It will balance your calorie level and burn out the excess fat whatever you have inside your body. Water is also very good while you are working out. Always you have to remember that before, after and during your workout you may need little amount of water to keep yourself dehydrated. Always you have to remember after finishing up your workout, might be after 15 or 20 minutes later on, you need to drink a lot of water to replace the fluid loss. But the amount of water is fully depend on your weight, your health and weather condition. For a quick note, always you have to remember not to drink too much water too quickly. You may feel stomach pain. Everyone of us really busy going to school, college and in their working place as well, right? So if you saw around you there have many sick people, then that's the best time to drink little more water. It will flash out all the infections and viruses that maybe your body picked up, and a well hydrated body move out all the toxins from your body. If you are feeling ill or if you have some kind of sickness, then this is the best time to drink a plenty of water. Believe me, it will give you the best result. When you are so much tired, you don't have so much energy to move up, then this is the best time to drink 1 or 2 glasses of water. Drinking 8 glasses of water daily still a very good goal for people. So last of all, I would like to say every one of you, drinking water often as possible, this is the best way. But don't drink lot of water so quickly. Drink pure and clean water without contaminants. I will not prefer bottled water. The best way of drinking water using filter. that will remove 99% of contaminants to purify your water. If you are not so sure about the safety of your drinking water, you may contact with Public Health Service for the referral to water testing system. An expert can check your water and can advise you how to treat if it's contaminated. Keep a glass of drinking water close to your bed. Maybe at midnight you will wake up, you will feel thirsty, so it will help you out. So guys, if you have any related question on that topic, you can let us know by comments. If you like the video, just give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get more topic related information. So see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.